Hi Zoidies, and welcome back to another video on Plannerzoid, where I like to talk, be cute, and be crafty and creative. And today is going to be a decorate with me in my new classic happy planner. Too excited, y'all, because first off, a lot of y'all asses got classic happy planners, I'm sure. So you know what that means. Y'all are getting some inspo. Yep. So I'm really excited because I also got some sticker books too. So not only that, it's gonna be new inspo with some new stickers that me or you haven't even seen before. So, well, maybe y'all seen it before because y'all be on top of it. I don't be on top of it, but y'all do. So either way, it's new to me and I'm excited to see. I don't know, what am I gonna even think of with this spread? I have no idea. I also want to take the time to say thank you to my members. You guys are awesome for further supporting Plannerzoid. And I do want to take the time to thank my Zoidies for even taking the time to just even subscribe. That counts as support too. But if you do want to further support, there's always the membership, which starts as low as 99 cents, just to further help the channel. And you get to see your name on the screen. You get to get a shout out and a thank you every video. I'm working on that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at my classic happy planner. Y'all, here is my beauty. I love her so far, but the only thing is I'm overwhelmed with space. So I do want to take the time real quick just to kind of show what I was kind of going for. I'm not really sure yet, but kinda, I don't know. The week is still going on, so I don't have all my plans written out yet. But I just wanted to get it started, okay? Too many times I have purchased a planner just to have a planner. Didn't even use it. So I want to make sure I put this planner to use and get my money's worth, especially with it being on sale. I love it so far, but the only thing is it just feels like a lot. And y'all, to make matters worse, I also have a big happy planner. 2 big happy planners that I just purchased. Why am I getting all these planners? You know what? I'm getting all these planners because I want to try different layouts, and I also want to be well versed with making stickers and products catered to some of those layouts. I think it'll be really cool. So either way, still learning, still figuring this planner out, but this spread is really cute. Just wanted to just kind of show you guys what I'm working with, I think. And to make it even better, I think the new sticker books that I got is going to provide even more inspo. I'm thinking about using the classic sticker sheets, the seasonal. So that means it works for the classic happy planner, because a lot of the sticker books I have work for the big size happy planner. So sometimes it look a little weird or take up too much space. But luckily I did make sure to get some that work for the classic size. And I think it's gonna look really good. So let's see what we got. Okay, that's summer. Okay, cute. Some gingham, I guess. Okay, that's it. I mean, if that's it, not a lot to work with for spring, but we can make a spread with this. I am eyeballing these stickers. I think they're so pretty. So let's go ahead and give that a try. So usually when I do a vertical layout, honestly, I like to do to-dos up here and like a journal or some kind of gratitude affirmation here, and then decor down here, right? But I since changed all of that because I do a lot of things now, and I don't know, I just have multiple planners, okay? I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing, okay? I'm doing the planner thing. So my affirmations and gratitude is going to be moved to my micro. Isn't this beautiful? This is Rainbow Sky, available in my shop, and the Soul Sister is back in stock with a little bit of, tweak to it. Looks really good. People love it so far, but my gratitude affirmations are going to be moved to this planner. And then here I'm thinking about incorporating like main to-dos, home to-dos, not sure yet. Here is like appointments and like stuff going on for the day, like leaving the house maybe. And down here, I wasn't sure if I still wanted to do decor or not. So I'm saying all this to say that I probably should put the stickers up here. I don't know yet because I'm changing it daily. Like, I keep having ideas and I keep getting confused. I'm so over it. But I also love it. That's Cricut, but it'll do. You know why? Because I'm going to layer it. I'm loving the pink, so I'm going to go ahead and put some pink stickers. And I really do want to put one down here too. I think I am. Oh my gosh. No, 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 no. Okay, good. I got to be careful. Y'all know I don't know how to act with these nails, right? Y'all know I don't know how to act with these nails. These nails got me feeling like rich auntie, even though I'm a broke auntie. But either way, I love my nails. They're so cute. I haven't had them done in a while, but I noticed a couple of people complimenting them. So I was just like, you know what? Let me show them up close. They're cute. I love them. And then I just love my glasses too. They're just adorable. I think my whole look is just, it's just cute. I don't know. I like it. I think I need to add some boxes on this side too. I'm going to do maybe like blue and green, like how I did pink, red here. Maybe blue and green. I don't know what I'm doing, but I do know I want it to be a springy themed spread. I just want spring. Okay, this looks really good. I love this. We're gonna go ahead and add some stickers on top because I didn't have it straight. So one of my, it's not really a hack, but I'm gonna just say it. If I have the stickers and it's not straight, honestly, I just try to fix it with more stickers. So I am gonna layer a couple of stickers here. Like I'm kind of eyeballing this butterfly, which I think is cute. And honestly, I think I should get my tweezers because now that I have longer nails, sometimes I have to use tools to put stickers in my planner. So let's do that. That's cute. I like that. I'll take it. And honestly, I'm going to use this bunny too because I know I'm never going to use it ever again. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this bunny. It's cute and pink, and I don't use a lot of bunnies, but I think it's adorable. Oh, you know what? Let me get some white out. I actually like the white out because when you have a planner like this that's structured and you have stickers like this that's clear and see-through, then you will need something that's going to kind of cover that up so it'll look better. So like if you put the sticker here, eventually you're going to see it, but I'm not putting it all the way down so you won't see it. But I'm going to put this white out so you don't see it too much. There we go. Let me see, it's not that big, so okay, cute. Yeah, that looks better. Loving the butterfly too, so that's going to be fun. I'm going to add it. Where do I want to put this butterfly? I think I'm gonna put it over here next to this one. So you can kind of see it here, like how you can see through the sticker and see the line there, but if I had put some white out, you wouldn't really see it. It'll look like the rest of the sticker. So that's what I did for the bunny. It's not perfect. Obviously up close you'll notice it, but it does help the spread look better. Now y'all, the next spread I'll be adding scrapbook paper, okay? But I really wanted to also play around with decorating around structure because I haven't for so long. I like this sticker. I'm definitely putting it over here. Okay. It is so satisfying when you can perfectly match a sticker with the box around it. This one I did good. The rest of them, I tried. But this one I did really good. I think some flowers would be fun to add because it wouldn't be spring without flowers. I wanted it there, but now I don't. I think I'm gonna put it at the bottom. Yeah. And I might put a quote or something there. I gotta see if this book even has a quote. I don't think so. Oh, there's a smaller one. I didn't even notice the smaller one. Okay, I'll put it on the other page. Thinking around here. That's kind of cute. And then it'll cover up some of that white out too. Cute, cute. And I'm probably still going to put something there to cover that part. I do see this little flower. Something like that. Actually, I'm looking at this sign right here. Isn't this cute? It's a sign, and I could probably use like a white jelly roll pen and write on the sign or something, since the background is black. I don't know. I'm just doing stuff. It's cute though. Let's add some more boxes maybe. Yeah, let's add some more boxes. I like this one because it got bullet points. So we'll go ahead and add that. I'm probably going to put it here. And the same thing applies to white stickers too, depending on what kind of paper they use. But it's probably a good rule of thumb to have the whiteout handy. And we are going to add a little bit there. It's not perfect, but it definitely helps. Oh, I did not notice that I covered that sticker. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's okay. It's just going to be covered. Don't be afraid to turn the boxes either. I need to turn some of these boxes. All my boxes trying to be straight. I should just turn them cat-a-corner like cricket. I'm going to do that here too. This is cute. I mean, I could use some of these smaller butterflies and bunnies. Yeah, that's summer. Maybe before I do that, what else they got for spring? Could use this watering pot. That's cute. And the birdhouse is cute too. I don't even feel like putting the white out. We're just going to slap it on the paper. Doesn't look bad, but now you see what I mean. These eggs are cute. I'll save them for April. I wanted to use one of these long stickers. I'm going to. Ooh. Maybe here. Oh my gosh, why? Hold on. Let me fix this. I know I can. Uh-huh. There we go. I want to add a little bit of this color too. I like this teal color. This is cute. We'll put a couple here. Should I do this orange? Yeah, I like this orange too. We can put that here. I do want to leave some open white space because I'm thinking about putting some of my stickers, like, where is it at, y'all? Hold on, where's it at? I just saw it. Oh, I have these foil script stickers here, and I love making script stickers, and I recently learned how to foil my own stickers. They're so fun. I don't know how it would look over here, but I'm gonna show it over here. So yeah, I'm probably going to do that. Like, it'll be perfect to, oh, okay, I can't get that one, but I can get this one. It'll be perfect to take an affirmation, maybe an affirmation for the week. Boom, cute. And then I do have a couple of mood stickers. I used to sell these. I might add them back in the shop, but I just want to make sure my printer is good first before I try to sell stickers. So I'm going to add these to the page too. Maybe one or two. I'll add one more. And I was going to add this, but I already took up space, so now I can't add it, but I would have added it. Either way, I think this looks really good, and I really like this. I'm going to leave the middle open because I do want to make sure I use it and I'm going to color each one like a different color. So I'm thinking about doing that off camera. And then I'm thinking about having the top for mostly like big to-dos of the day. Like I have appointments to go to, phone calls to expect, things like that, emails. So I might keep that top part open. The rest will be regular to-dos, like, you know, clean up the house or something like that, you know, or go by the post office, like just regular little to-dos. The bottom, I'm not sure yet, because I do want to incorporate gratitude and positive affirmations in my planner. But I'm debating if I want to do it here or in my micro. So I guess we'll see. If y'all see me changing stuff up a lot, bear with me, because I'm trying to figure out what my planner style is and my decorative style. What do you guys think of my planner spread? I think it looks really good. Pretty simple, pretty easy, and I think it's great inspo to give a lot of people, because I do think when a lot of people do planning, especially like with happy planner stuff, they think of this kind of style, but you can get super creative with these stickers, which you'll see in future upcoming videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Hope you got some inspo. And stay tuned for future stationery videos. Bye, Zodies!